Hi, my name is Dave Garden. I am CFI number 6269. We are here today to talk about waterproof quarter round for Wet Protect. And the interesting thing about this is this gasket right here. It's what makes this so revolutionary. For all you installers out there, this is really cool. And this, what makes this so cool is we no longer have to use a backer rod on the Wet Protect floor covering. What I'm going to do also is I'm going to show you guys how to put a return on our corners. Because as you can see, when we cut this, and for all you installers, you know, when you cut this on a straight angle, you have an unfinished edge. So what we do is we put a return on there simply by taking and cutting it 45, taking a little bit of glue, not much. I'll just stick that too. And obviously with the hot adhesive, it doesn't take too long for that to set up. The gap in the back here, I need to fill in that gap. Why? Because I need that protection. As you see, I didn't overdo it here. What I did was I just put enough in there to fill in that gap to make myself consistent all the way around. Now I've got one gasket rather than two. The thing that we have to remember, if we staple straight down, or excuse me, nail straight down, what's going to happen is I actually, by nailing straight down through the top of this, and this is a very common mistake, what ends up happening is I take away that expansion space. In this case, I'm actually going to cut the silicone on the bottom, or I'm going to cut the gasket. So the two things that are happening that are bad. But I need to make sure that my fork is still expand and contract. So what I'm going to do instead of doing that is I'm going to staple across. Therefore, I'm putting my quarter round into the baseboard. That right here. Now that's perfect.